Alright, so it's Saturday, and this is going to be my first official kiln load. I've been working on these whistles and horns all week, and it's time to fire them. I've been experimenting with some of these glazes that my professor gave me. They were donated to the school and nobody uses them, so he told me to try them out, see what color they are. I'm not gonna have room for everything. There's a couple things I can't fit in there, but hopefully none of this stuff explodes, because that's been my luck lately. So I'm gonna get this thing fired up in a second, and we will get it going. Alright, so here we are. It is around 7:15 now, and we're at 12:30, and everything is going perfect so far. We got it glowing pretty good in there. I closed up the gap with some bricks to make the area smaller. It felt like some air was escaping. Pulled my damper out for the flue, so now we're pumping hot air out of here. Whew, nearly tripped over the cord for my thermometer, and I've already done that. So it's looking pretty good so far. I'm gonna put on a set of gloves and see what it's looking like in there. So we've almost hit cone 04. It is hot. You can't even see it, what it looks like on camera. But the flue is now glowing. Wow, you can see the heat in the camera. So I'll try and get a look inside the kiln. I gotta put my gloves on first. So this is what the inside looks like. Everything is now glowing. I'm about to shut it off right now. So this is the finished kiln load. Melted the cone, which was the goal. The glaze that I used, I had no idea how it was gonna turn out, so I was just kind of shooting in the dark, just randomly using different glazes, and a couple of them turned out like crap, to be honest. Like that looks like glue. It looks like I put epoxy all over it. That one too. The flower actually doesn't look bad at all. Looks okay, but I did have one crack down there. I don't know how bad it affected the playability of the piece. It already kind of broke down at the neck when I was loading it. So we'll see, but I'm about to start trying to pull them out right now, and we'll see how they all turned out.